Hello students, welcome to another video of EVS of page number 28. We will discuss about page number 28 today from the chapter Tasting to Digesting. I am Kajal Roy. Let us start the video. First we will know about the importance of glucose. We all know that glucose is a simple sugar with the molecular formula C6H12O6. Glucose gives us energy. We also get glucose when we consume carbohydrates. Every day we eat carbohydrates and other food items. From the food items we get sugar, and that sugar in simpler form is also known as glucose. Glucose is very much important for our body because it gives us energy for the day-to-day activities. Now let's come to the next point. The story that is given in page number 28 about Neetu. Neetu was very sick. All day she was vomiting and she also had loose motion. Whatever she ate, she vomited. Her father gave her sugar and salt solution. By evening, Neetu was feeling weak and dizzy. When she got up to go to the doctor, she fainted. Now, here is the story about Neetu. She is very weak right now and she is continuously vomiting and also having loose motion. Her father have brought her to a doctor, but by the evening she was feeling very weak. That's why she fainted. Now her father has brought her to the hospital for checkup and her health care. Now let's come to the next part of the story. Her father had to carry her to the doctor. The doctor said that Neetu should get admitted in the hospital. She needs to be given a glucose drip. Hearing this, Neetu got confused. She knew that during the games period in school, the teacher sometimes gave them glucose to drink. But what was a glucose drip? Doctor Auntie explained, your stomach is upset, your body is not keeping any food and water and it has become very weak. The glucose drip will give you some strength quickly even without eating. So, as Dr. Auntie explained Neetu, you can also understand, students, that glucose drip is something that will give you instant energy even if you do not eat anything for some time. If you do not eat any food and you are continuously vomiting and having loose motion, automatically your body will become weak and you will feel dizzy and you can also faint. So when your body doesn't have any energy in it, it means you have not eaten anything or you cannot eat anything. Then glucose drip is the solution. In hospital, glucose drip is being given to the patients to give them energy. Now let's see how glucose drip is seen in the picture. You can see the glucose drip over here, how it is been looking like this. You have seen in hospitals, I guess, students, or maybe you have seen it in few movies or maybe TV shows. Glucose drip is a solution given to people who are suffering from low blood sugar or dehydration. Glucose drip are usually the solution of glucose and few other drugs where it is given in the hospital only and by the prescription of doctor only. You cannot take it by yourself at home, and it is given through injections and through syringes and through the bottles inverted you can see in the picture. Now let's come to the point, the importance of glucose. Why glucose is important? Glucose, or commonly called sugar, is an important energy source that is needed by the cells and organs of our body. Glucose or sugar comes from the food we eat. We all know that we eat food on a daily basis. Why do we eat food? To give the body energy. Necessary energy is being drawn from the carbohydrates or from the sugar from the food. Now the sugar or the carbohydrates actually is also known as glucose. In scientific way it is known as glucose, which gives us energy. Not only us, every cell and every organ of the body actually works because of the glucose, like our muscle, brain, etc. need glucose to function properly. So it is very important for a human. If you have to survive, you have to eat food, and if you are not eating, you need to take glucose. Now let's discuss a question. Why do you think Neetu's father gave her the solution of sugar and salt? In the story, you have heard that Neetu is feeling very weak, she has loose motion and she is vomiting continuously. So Neetu's father have gave her a solution of sugar and salt. Now why do you think Neetu's father have gave her this solution? Because Neetu was very sick. She was vomiting and had loose motion. Oral rehydration therapy or ORT is a type of fluid replacement to prevent and treat dehydration. It also balances the sodium and potassium level of the body. Actually, the water, sugar and salt solution that is being said in the story is known as ORT, which is the short form for oral rehydration therapy. It is a fluid which is given orally to anyone to give them instant energy. It also balances the sodium and potassium level of the body. So you might have seen that whenever you are having a very spontaneous day or maybe in sports day, glucose or ORT is being given in schools also to give the students or the athletes the required energy they need for the activities or for that sports event. So have you understood the ORT? ORT is oral rehydration therapy. Now in this video we have learnt about glucose drip, the importance of glucose, ORT that is oral rehydration therapy, and how to maintain the glucose levels of our body. Now this video I hope you have understood it properly. If you have not, then I would request you to please go through the video once again from the beginning. And I hope you have understood the need of glucose in our daily life and to eat food in a proper way so that our body keeps working in an efficient way. So for this video up to here only, and I would request all the students to make ORT at your home. Thank you. Stay safe, study hard. See you in the next video.